Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? Here's what you'll need: 6 slices of diced bacon, 1 medium finely chopped onion, 1/2 finely chopped green bell pepper, but the bell pepper is optional. Add 3 16-ounce cans of pork and beans and 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of molasses, 2 tablespoons of mustard yellow or Dijon as it's your preference, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, but this is also optional for a smoky flavor, salt and pepper to taste. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large skillet, cook the diced bacon until it starts to crisp. Set the bacon aside and sauté the chopped onion and green bell pepper in the bacon grease until they are soft and translucent. In a large mixing bowl, combine the pork and beans, barbecue sauce, brown sugar, molasses, mustard, and smoked paprika. Add the cooked bacon and sautéed vegetables to the bowl. Stir everything together until well combined. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. Transfer the bean mixture to a greased baking dish. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for about 45 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until the top is slightly caramelized and the sauce has thickened. Let the baked beans cool for a few minutes before serving. This recipe is the perfect complement to grilled meats, fried chicken, or simply enjoyed on their own. For more delicious recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon.